father was in Yeah. Well, it's been on the whole year. She fractured her right leg last summer, and so it overcompensated all summer long for that. And then since then, her left probably something happened on the knee. She hit it on the
How's it at?